Alright, we got a 2017 Cadillac xt5. In order to remove the coolant temp sensor, which is down here, you can get it out just by using a wrench. You gotta take off the intake manifold, throttle body. You're gonna need a long pair of pliers. Sorry about the light. Sorry about the zoom. Alright, so you're gonna need a 15mm to turn that. And you can pull it out once it's loose. But you're gonna need a short 15 with a swivel, long extension. You're gonna need a wrench, open in 15, and then you can get that out.